Hello everyone, what's up? This is Mortaza and I welcome you all to the next episode of this SQL training tutorial. In the last episode we talked about null values. When we have null in a field of a record, it means that no value was provided when that record was created. Now in this video I have decided to talk about another command, update. Update is used to update the fields of a record or different records. We have talked about select a lot. Select, is used to get the fields and the records we are looking for in the output. And we have talked about insert into, right? It is used to insert new records into our tables. Now, update is another command which allows us to update the values of our existing records, of our existing rows. Suppose for this John Smith, for example, I accidentally put in null for 4 field, right? And right now I understand that I made a mistake, so I want to update these values. What I can do is to say, okay, I want to update the customers table, and then you put in the name of the fields along with their new values. I want to update, I want to set address to this new value. Let's say New Long Road, and city will be New York, for example. Postal code will be something, and country, right, will be the United States. So I'm going to say USA, right? So what will happen if I run this command? So of course it will update the customers table and set these values for the city, address, and postal code. But the problem is that here I have not specified for which one of these customers do I want this update to be executed. And if I don't specify that, this update command will be applied to each one of these records. This is something that I really don't want, that, right? I don't want my address, city, postal code, and country for all of my records to be updated to these values. I just want these values to be updated for this very specific customer. So I need to specify a where clause, and I want to add this update to the customers table where customer ID is 93, right? And now I run this, and in the output I get one row affected. It means that one row was inserted, updated, or deleted. In this case it is updated. Now if I select everything from the table, I can see for John Smith the city was updated to New York, address is now New Long Road, the postal code and the country were also updated. Don't forget, for update you need to specify the where clause. If you don't specify that, the update will be carried out on all the records on that table, which is probably not something you want. You want to specifically, run this update command on the specific customers. And of course here you can, add everything we already talked about in the select statements. You can, for example, provide a range. You can mix and match different conditions using the logical operators like, for example, and, or, and so on and so forth. So that was all I wanted to tell you about the update command. You can use update to kind of update the values in your different, records, and that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If that's the case, please don't forget, subscribe to this channel, A Coder's Journey. Share this video with your friend and leave a comment and tell me whether you have already used the update command in your day-to-day tasks. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Till later. Bye-bye.